Most people have fond memories of happy playtime as children. What may have seemed an exercise in silliness at the time is regarded by many as pivotal for the physical, mental, emotional, and social development of young humans. And humans are not alone in this regard. In the waters off the coast of Australia, researchers observe a playful group of juvenile dolphins frolicking about in the waves. While this behavior brings a smile to the face, those watching are looking for clues as to whether or not the happy splashing going on has a deeper meaning or purpose behind it. More and more research these days is pointing to behaviors in the animal kingdom that exhibit those once thought to be exclusively in the human realm. As an example, it is worth noting that earlier research also released by the University of Bristol in 2022 indicates that male dolphins form the largest alliance network currently found outside of humans, a very significant development. Scientists at the time analyzed data from 121 adult male Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphins in Shark Bay, Western Australia, and the researchers noted that these cooperative relationships between groups increase male access to females. Their findings, published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, revealed that dolphins form extremely complex social alliances. Male dolphins form first-order alliances of 2 to 3 males to pursue mating opportunities with individual females. Second-order alliances, consisting of 4 to 14 unrelated males, compete with other alliances for access to females. Third-order alliances involve cooperation between second-order alliances. Researchers noted that cooperation between these allies is usually seen as a hallmark of human societies, and this cooperation allows male dolphins to spend more time with females, enhancing their reproductive success. The study highlighted that the success of male dolphins in consorting females depends on their connections with third-order allies, leading to long-term benefits. As it turns out, the purpose behind these social alliances as adults mirrors the purpose behind the social play they engage in as juveniles. We found that juvenile play involves immature versions of adult reproductive behaviors that are crucial for males to access and mate with estrus females. And the time spent doing these play behaviors predicts how many offspring males eventually sire as adults, said Katie Holmes, who completed this work as part of her doctoral research at the University of Western Australia. The new research on young dolphins' playtime published on June 10th in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences reveals that young male dolphins who form strong social bonds and practice reproductive behaviors during play are more likely to father offspring as adults. This study, led by researchers from the University of Bristol and the University of Western Australia, offers rare evidence linking juvenile social play to reproductive success in wild animals. The scientists, working with international colleagues, spent years observing juvenile male Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphins in Shark Bay, Western Australia. They used long-term behavioral and genetic data to explore how social play in young dolphins helps develop adult reproductive behavior. In Shark Bay, adult male dolphins form long-term alliances to help each other gain access to females. These alliances are typically between males who bonded closely as juveniles. As adults, allied males work together in pairs or trios to attract individual females. The research shows that young males practice this coordinated behavior with their likely future allies long before they reach sexual maturity. The study is significant because it demonstrates a clear link between play behavior and reproductive success in wild animals, something that has been challenging to prove in the past. It provides strong support for the idea that animals play together to practice important adult behaviors, and that this practice increases their success later in life. Don't stop here. Find out more. Visit the links in the description below for more in-depth information on the stories presented in this video.